In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email on Google Classroom. Google Classroom has become a pivotal tool in modern education, streamlining the way educators and students communicate and share resources. One of its useful features is the ability to send emails directly to students, making it easier to provide personalized support or feedback. Whether you're new to Google Classroom or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process of sending an email to a student step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go to google.com. This is the gateway to all things Google, and from here you'll be able to access Google Classroom along with any other Google services you might use. Once you're on google.com, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This action is fairly straightforward, but it's the gateway to your personalized Google experience, including Google Classroom. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, this is where you pick the one associated with your Google Classroom. Selecting the right account here is crucial for ensuring that you have access to your classrooms and students. Following the selection of your account, you'll be asked to type in your password. Security is a top priority for Google, so make sure you enter your password correctly to proceed further. After entering your password, you'll click on the Next button to complete the sign-in process. This step might seem small, but it's a critical part of ensuring that your account is secure and that you're able to access all the necessary features within Google Classroom. Once you're signed in, you'll want to locate the Google Apps menu, which is found at the top right corner of the page. This menu is represented by a grid of dots and houses links to all of the Google Apps available to you. Clicking on this reveals a drop-down menu with various apps. In the drop-down menu, look for the Google Classroom icon and click on it. Google Classroom has a distinctive icon that is easy to recognize, and clicking it will take you directly to your Classroom dashboard where your classes are listed. Now you're in Google Classroom, you'll need to click on Your Classroom. This step involves selecting the specific classroom you wish to work in. If you're teaching multiple classes, make sure you select the correct one to ensure you're emailing the right student. Inside your classroom, click on the People tab. This tab is where you'll find a list of everyone associated with your class, including students and co-teachers. It's your gateway to directly communicating with individuals in your course. To find the student you wish to email, you will see 3 dots next to their name on the People page. These dots indicate more options. When you click on them, one of the available options will be to email student. This is a direct way to initiate an email conversation with a specific student. Clicking on Email Student will open a new email window. This window is where you can compose your message to the student. It's integrated with Gmail, making it a seamless experience if you're already familiar with using Gmail for email communications. And there you have it, a concise step-by-step guide to emailing a student through Google Classroom. This feature helps maintain open lines of communication between you and your students, making it easier to provide feedback, send reminders, or discuss class materials in a more personal way. A couple of extra tips to remember when emailing students through Google Classroom. Always maintain a professional tone, as these communications are part of your educational role. Also, consider consolidating your emails to avoid overwhelming your students with too many individual messages. I hope this guide makes it easier for you to navigate Google Classroom and enhances your communication with your students. Google Classroom's email feature is designed to improve the educational experience by facilitating easier communication, and with these simple steps you're well on your way to making the most of it. Happy teaching!